Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a standard battery range, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver with backup camera. We got a bed camera as well, tailgate step with nice looking rims, Lightning logo on the side here, extended gripped running boards with blind spot detection, side view camera, and turn light indicated mirrors. A nice place to plug in your vehicle as well. And move to the front here, we got that signature LED light bar, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the lip there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You get your normal storage underneath. You got lights, Pro Power Onboard, hooks and doodads hold your gear down. And to close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space up front. We got cup holders, storage, rear vents, outlets, mobile power cord, and all that fun stuff. Floor mats, nice split folding rear bench seat as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, frunk, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 217 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we got our distance with our battery left, digital speedometer, my view, there we go, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right here, we got our gear select, that is collapsible storage, cup holders, tons of more storage here with your center console that does have tons more storage. We got our trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, thanks to that Max Trailer Tow Package, dual climate, heated front seats, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash with 360 view of your vehicle, pretty nice. Get that nice bed camera as well. And we got our hazard and tractions, we got our audio here as well with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, your navigation, pretty easy to use. You can go in 3D, back to this state, zoom in or out, search, read, and save, have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as Messenger, email, Pro Power Onboard, drive modes, charge settings. Any apps you may download will also show up right here with the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and public charging, so it'll locate you to your next charger, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG11669, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.